One of the coolest things you can do with your painting talents is make something for your family. And that's exactly what I'm doing for my mom right here. This used to be my mom's home decoration piece. It's a swan and my mom loves it and she wants it kind of restored with a new fresh coat of paint. So we're gonna do a few things with it. We're gonna sand it down, paint it, and then varnish it and give it to her this Christmas. The very first thing you wanna do if you're ever gonna restore something for friends or family is make sure you take some pictures of it so that way you can restore it to the proper condition it was first given to you in. Now that we have our reference photos, I have here a nice little sanding block and some sanding paper because I noticed there was kind of like a little finish on here that's been flaking off. So I want to remove that outer layer. So it's time to get to work. All right, sanding's all done. Kind of ruined my pants a little bit, but it's fine. Time to just wipe off the excess here so that we have a nice clean surface for our paint to get onto and adhere to perfectly. And for the paint we're gonna be using, we're just gonna be using just basic acrylic paint. I've got titanium white, ivory black, and I think I might do this base in blue, but we'll see how it goes. Let's see what we can do. Well, that took a lot longer than I thought. Well, here we have our beautiful finished piece. You know, I was gonna show you the step where I varnish coat it with this general purpose varnish, but you know what? It's dark outside and it's the next day. So I'm just gonna do this really quickly, but I just wanna show you that the painting talents that you acquire watching my videos and building the skills over time, you can apply to some fun, basic painting projects to make a real impact in someone's life, to give them a fun, cool gift. Just like I'm gonna do with my mama, who is never happy with anything I give, so let's hope this one actually changes her mind. Thank you so much for watching. Merry Christmas to all of you out there. Happy holidays, and I can't wait to see you in the new year. Check you later. I think it turned out pretty decent. What do you think?